This is how you measure for a pull-out tray. You put the tape on the left side of the face frame to the right side of the face frame, and you have 26. So the actual width will be 25.5, the nearest half inch. On the depth, you put the tape measure on the back to the inside of the face frame, and you have 23. So the actual depth will be a 22-inch pull-out tray. On the next cabinet, you measure the width. Like again, you put the tape measure on the left side of the face frame to the right side, and you got 12. So the actual width will be 11.5 for the pull-out tray size. The depth, again, you put the tape measure on the back of the cabinet to the inside of the front of the face frame. In this case, you have 23, so the actual size will be 22. And that's how you measure to order a pull-out tray.